Hello and welcome back to another banger, and today it's part 2 of my Noob to Pro series. I actually redeemed a code that gave me 1000 honey, so I got a bit more honey. I have a few more bees too. And maybe, but just maybe, I'll get on #1 today on one of these. We'll see. Also, a lot has happened since my last video. We got quests, which of course I'm gonna beat this one. This is just easy. Free XP. This is also easy. Like free honey and XP. This isn't too easy. This is pretty easy, but yeah, I think I can do that. Also, I got like free cam now, so I can like show you guys stuff. And yeah, okay. The next update will be in 5 days, I think. Yes, 5 days. So let's hop right in, and yeah. Also, in case you're not in the Discord, you should definitely join the Discord. And yeah, they post a lot of leaks there. Like, also, they recently leaked that in the next update there will be a few new things, like a new map, which is like a mushroom map. Can we handle this? Can we handle this? Nice. They haven't leaked much about no bees, but probably no bees. Also, in case you haven't oh no, okay, bad. In case you haven't subscribed, definitely go down there and hit that subscribe button. It would really help me out here, cause yeah. Also, if you haven't checked my stuff, we're actually getting a bee made by the owner. I'm getting my own bee in this game if I reach 100 subs. Get this. Oh no, I don't know. Okay, we got that. Now, the game is fairly easy currently, so let me check. There is like a bug with the demo bee where you can't upgrade it. It's pretty annoying, but if you're good at the game, you can literally just find a way around it. Also, another big bug is like 2 XP doesn't affect the bees, it only affects the enemies, so it's fairly annoying. But yeah. Also, because the game is so small, I don't know, I might like stop the Noob to Pro series for a bit and do like something else on the game, but yeah, I'm still going to do Bee Swarm Tower Defense, but yeah. Also, you don't really like post a lot of long form videos. I might do more, but yeah. Also, join the Discord to get notified if I upload any videos. And yeah. And if you like this game, then be sure to check it out. The name is Bee Swarm Tower Defense. And yeah, I think my goal for today probably would... Oh, okay. Okay, I think I might know. Yeah, I think it's like bugged because it does say coins and this honey. So I think that might make it a little bit bugged. So yeah. So what do you guys think? Should I buy this bee for like Robux? Because I'm not sure, because the stats aren't too great. Like 2.5 with 45 damage and 2 pierce doesn't seem too OP also. Be sure to get this bee. It is very hard to obtain. Well, not too hard, it's only 1%. But that's only 400. Huh? That's pretty nice, I guess. That's like... So you need like 20,000 is fast. You need like 40,000 I need to get that. Damn. Also, this is pretty high. Wait, I just noticed I'd be #1 if I win one more time, lol. But how did Bro get 36 wins? How did he do that? Also, I might big leak here. Apparently the dev behind this game is thinking about doing like trading. Like, here, let me pull up the Discord. Oops. Where is it here? It's also where is it here? There are like it's a ton of stuff right now. Rolled. Weird. Yeah, here, leaks. Yeah, this is gonna be the new map. That's pretty old. I don't know where he put the other leak. He leaked like something else. Pretty sure. Ticket. Also, yeah, it's pretty easy to get to, I think you don't even need to have, you just gotta do videos on the game, which, yeah, and it's not too hard. Like, do I want to summon, or do I want to like save up for like Spicy Bee? Because Spicy Bee is really OP, but again, I don't really care too much about having OP bees because I'm already OP. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I think we're gonna summon here and duplicate. Wait, I don't even get... Oh no, I think I got cash back. got like 100 cash. No, I didn't, huh? Weird. Am I getting cash or am I not getting cash now? Huh? Weird. But what are the odds? What the fuck? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna cut this part now out so you guys don't have to wait. But I'm gonna go grind up a few honey to try and get spicy bee. Or precise bee, I don't know. I think my main goal is here to get like every bee, including skin. But I don't care about skins mainly because these skins aren't too great. It's just literally the same thing. Here, look at the basic bee. Now look at the skin. Find the difference. It's literally the same thing, bruh. It's 1-to-1. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you, and I'll be back with 2,000 honey. And yeah. Welcome back, everyone, and I'm back with 2,000 honey. And so what are we buying? Oh, it's good. Okay, it's good, but I don't really need it, you know? So especially 2 damage. Ooh, that's pretty good. The range isn't too great though. Should I maybe like summon? No, the odds aren't very great. I think I'll buy this spicy bee here. Spicy bee. I'll replace demo because demo just don't work. Why it don't work? So let's try demo bee out. Okay. Let's see this thing in action. Also, hard mode is pretty hard to start because you gotta like spam basic bee. Now you can beat this, I think, with only mid units, like pretty cheap units, but I'm not sure. Let's save up here. Let's try and get enough money to be able to afford spicy bee. Okay. Okay, the damage isn't too OP. I don't know. I don't understand this unit too much. I'm gonna place this guy because he's just there to get stunned. And he also buffs this guy, so that's nice. 2.1 damage already, oh sheesh. Okay. Okay, hell no, bro. Wait, this might, this ain't too good. Okay, it's good, but it's not reliable good. Like their spare towers. Like it's alright, it's not too bad. It's just that you can easily replace something for this and have like a better unit. Like, I don't see all the hype. I mean, Pierce 3 is pretty OP, yeah. But I think towers like Bomber Bee can easily beat these stats, because they just have splash, you know? And currently the only big problem is splash, because it's a lot of horde enemies, so you'd need like splash. Like, look, it's like a billion of these guys. Also, why are you not attacking the spiders, bro? Okay, I mean, Spicy Bee, it's alright. But it's just like there's better towers, you know? So that was weird. Weird. Damn, there's like a lot of people now. Huh. Most people aren't too good at the game. I guess that's probably because they just... Maybe I should think of that. So, hello, I'm getting levels. Why you don't go up, bro? I'm also at almost like 20 hours of freaking playtime. That is like... This looks like really good. Also, didn't I like use some of these? Or didn't they like... I think they like reset me now. Let me look. Or whatever, I don't know. Oh yeah, like... No, it didn't get reset, the lobby got changed. Oh yeah. Why did I think I got reset? Yeah. I guess I'll see you in the next one, and bye-bye.